Hello, NICC students. My name is Jordan. I work for the Department of Instructional Innovation and Design. And I'll spend just a moment showing you how to take a third-party exam, test or exam that takes place outside of Brightspace using the Honorlock proctoring service. Instructors use this with various math classes, but other disciplines as well. Software includes Newton Alta, Hawkes Learning, Pearson MyLab, McGraw-Hill Connect. So your instructor probably has a similar arrangement to this, where there's a link to Honorlock, there is a link to the external learning tool exam that takes place outside of Brightspace, and they might have an assignment where they ask you to show your work as well. So be sure to read their instructions, but the process generally looks like this. You click on the Honorlock link. Here, integrated in Brightspace is this Honorlock proctoring service that's going to use your webcam and your microphone to try to ensure you're not cheating during this test. It's important to launch the correct exam that you need to take, in this instance, the pre-test module 1. This is actually where the recording will be held for your instructor to review if they need to. So go ahead and click launch, and Honorlock starts to take over here. Notice that it's moved itself into a dedicated tab with the Honorlock logo up there. And if I didn't have the Honorlock extension, it would prompt me to download that Honorlock Google Chrome extension. You have to have the extension and a webcam and a microphone to use Honorlock. If at any point you have questions about Honorlock, in our Brightspace Toolbox course, which you can find on the Brightspace homepage, there's a dedicated module to Honorlock. You can download the Chrome extension here, watch videos, and learn more about Honorlock as well. Excellent. So I'll return to that dedicated Honorlock module. I'll agree to the terms of service. Now I'm going to launch proctoring. Notice this live chat. If at any point Honorlock artificial intelligence thinks you might be cheating on the exam, or you're not following one of the rules set by the instructor, they may pop into the exam. A chat agent might pop in, and it'll be these folks. And these are the folks you should go to if you have any specific difficulty. Say it just won't take your photo for some specific reason. These are your tech folks who are here 24/7, 365 to assist live chat. But everything's going so well so far, so I'll keep going here. There's a privacy policy. This instructor wants me to take my photo. Hello. And now for the screen share. So it's important that Honorlock can see what you're doing during this exam. A lot of instructors don't want students opening other tabs, for instance. So this is a little bit of a pop-up. I'll have to select the screen I want to share. It's my only screen on my laptop here. So I click right here. I'm going to click share. Now Honorlock is watching my screen. In fact, you can see it at the bottom of the page, app.honorlock.com is sharing your screen. I'll go ahead and hide that. Now I'm ready to take my exam. So it's trying to tell me what to do. I need to go back to the Newton Alta test. That was over back in D2L Brightspace. So I'm going to move tabs now back to Brightspace. And a reminder about the password. When your exam asks for a password or passcode, you will need to click on the button that says Insert Password. That button is hiding. This is one thing I really want to point out to folks. You can see it's recording. It's capturing my video and the video of the screen. And here's the Insert Password button. So I need to get to the right place to use that button. So I'll hide myself again. Excellent. And I'm still in this Honorlock module, so I need to go back to Content. And in this Math 102 course, I'm in the pre-assessment module. Your class will look different. But here's that link to the test. And if I had clicked on this link before beginning proctoring, I would not have had the secret passcode. So this is how Honorlock works. Password time. I'll find that hidden box.